Well, I guess you guys are just gonna have to butt fuck. Go fight over me and then go butt fuck. Secretly, because it's all you want to do. And anyway, he was there at the hotel while we were there. And we did the blood ritual that said we were getting married to George. And it made a rose, and it made a cross. And it went up here, and it went around. And then something happened. I took my engagement ring off, and I put it on this hand. This hand got smashed! And then this finger leaned away. Permanently, didn't want to have anything to do with the stealing finger. So if my own fingers get smashed for trying to take my wedding ring, what do you think's going to happen to you?